What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here with Chris. He is mic'd up. We're going to talk about this truck that he is working on. Sorry if you got wind noise in the background. This is a 2014, not a 13. It's a 2014, and the engine's locked up, so we're going to talk about that right now. Everybody say hey to Chris.
Hi.
Chris is a genius when it comes to this stuff. So he got the ticket. This is a 2014, 250,000 miles, somewhere around in there.
Somewhere along in there.
Somewhere along in there. And the customer said that he had the oil changed and he drove about 2 hours and then it locked up. And when I say it locked up, Chris had to pull the engine out. Obviously, you see he pulls the cab. Had to pull the engine out. Torque converter and the flywheel was still stuck with it. And so this is the new engine. It's the 3.5 liter. And he's doing an amazing job putting it back in. And he had it out really, really quick too. But this is what's got to be done to get this engine out of your truck. So the old engine is over here, over there behind Chris. We're going to see if we can pull a valve cover off of it and cut open the oil filter and see what kind of metal particles or whatever is inside that, because that thing will not turn. Chris, what are you doing right now?
Just getting the transmission and the motor to mate it back up. A little bit tricky doing it this way, but it's not that difficult.
You're stuck on the exhaust over here.
Okay, that's where I'm stuck. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. So it's got new turf skis. It's got the new updated exhaust manifolds on it. Obviously, you put the compressor back on it. And then he'll have to do the front, the water pump and all that stuff. And then once he gets all that, hooks all the wire harnesses and everything back up, he'll lower the cab back down on top of it. Here's one of the old turb skis. Not really much to see. Small 3.5 Ecoboost. It still spins, so there's some oil that's on it. I don't see, yeah, there's an exhaust manifold. Good. That's the old style.
Good.
This is the new style. Just jack up the transmission a little bit.
It's about there.
It's not too bad. And she's just about made it together. See the dowel pin. And he's just double checking to make sure all the studs went through the torque converter and make sure all the bolts are lined up. That way he can put the nuts on the torque converter. And he'll start buttoning everything up. So here's the old engine, and Chris and I are both pretty curious, man. There's a bunch of gunk down inside of here. Obviously this is a direct injected engine, but we are going to cut open the oil filter, and that is a CarQuest filter, that is not a Motorcraft filter. We are going to at least pull off this valve cover right here and take a look. We can't tear it down all the way because it is a core. We have to send it back, but we're both pretty curious, so we're going to crack that open here in a little bit and check it out. All right, so Chris is pulling the cover off, and well, there's some scratches on the cam lobe. It's not as bad as I thought it would be for a locked up engine.
Yeah.
There's a little bit of silver sparkles down there.
I will cut open the oil filter here in a little bit.
He's gonna cut open the oil filter here in just a little bit. There's some oil. I'm wondering if they put oil in this thing or if it was just really low. So like Chris said, that's synthetic blend oil. That's definitely not synthetic oil. So not as bad as I thought it would be. I wonder if I pull the high pressure pump off and look at the bucket. It's stuck in there.
Yep.
Oh, it came up.
Yeah.
It won't go that any further than that though. Let's see him pull a bucket out of there and look at that cam roller. Well, that didn't quite help. They're supposed to just pop right out. Oh, there we go. I think I got it. There we go. How's the roller look?
Surprisingly, okay. No flat spots, delamination, but
doesn't look too bad. I really want to see what the bottom end looks like. Yeah, that's synthetic blend oil. That's not full synthetic. Taking the oil filter off. We're gonna cut it open. Oh, my. That doesn't look like oil.
no, it doesn't. It's like oil.
It's silver. Look at the side.
Yeah. Oh yes, Lord have mercy.
Let's cut it open.
Yeah.
Mmm. Tasty. I bet it's full of metal in between the pleats. What do you think?
That myself.
If you guys want one of these filter cutters, I'll leave a link for the Amazon one. That's where I got it. It's the same one Ray has.
Let me grab. Let's put it on the vise.
We have brought it to the vise. That's a pretty thin filter.
Go around it one more time.
One more again. Go around it one more again. I think that got it.
Bad bitter.
Sure. Oh, there's the other terms key. Oh.
It's full of metal in there.
That smells horrible.
Yes, it does. Let me grab a light.
That is glitter. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at that.
Oh my God.
Wow.
I'd say probably catastrophic failure of the lower mains, the bearings.
Look at that glitter. Yep. That's
she's
full of metal.
All the way around.
It sparkles. It sparkles. That's that new, man, that smells bad.
It does.
So that lower end's toasted.
Completely.
Completely toasted. That's all metal. So yeah. Got a magnet. There's one. It's got some on the tip of it. That's crazy. Man, that smells bad.
I don't know what kind of oil he put in there.
I don't know. That's oh, squeegee. Use a windshield wiper for a squeegee. Yep. This is what you don't want inside of your engine. So that would be the reason it's locked up. So that was fun. Yeah, look, it's going down in the hole. It's going bye-bye. Filter looks bad. No wonder the engine was locked up, but you can see Chris has almost got it married back together. Well, it actually is married back together. Married back together. And he's gonna start zoom in and be done with it. And 240 something thousand miles. Don't know where he got the oil change at. Don't know if he did it himself. We're not pointing fingers at anybody. But said that he got the oil change and said that he rode for 2 hours.
2 hours
and it locked up. So how much of that is true? Don't know.
Said he had no oil in it when it locked up. He refilled it with fresh oil with the start. Don't know where the oil went either.
Yeah, so don't know if oil was put back in it, and if it was, that's amazing that it rode for 2 hours. But I wish there was no core on that, because I'd send it to Eric and have him tear it down. But anyway, I appreciate it. I love you guys, and we'll see you on the next one.